Hello, Sanbonani Molweni, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayanda Makosini, and it's at Ayanda Makosini on all my social media platforms. So if you're new here, hello, hi, grab a seat and join the family. And yeah, on today's episode, you guys, I am doing my bedroom. So this week's project or this month's project, it will be my bedroom. As some of you or anyone that's been watching my videos know that we moved in our house a few months ago, and you know that it is small. So if you see my dining room or my living area, you haven't seen how small my bedroom is. It is super small, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to the mall. And also, you guys, I noticed that I go to Carnival Mall a lot. The reason why I go there a lot, it's because, you guys, there are a lot of shops there. Another shopping center that I'm close to is Sunward Park. I'm very, very close to Sunward Park, but now it doesn't have a lot of shops because I also want to go to Pep Home, Mr. Price Home, and Checkers, Game, and Builders. So that's where I'm gonna get the paint. I've been looking for the paint, you guys. I've been looking for the paint. I want to go with this blue. You see this blue? So yeah, I want to go with this a shade of blue. And also there are a few things that I want to buy for my bedroom. Like I said, you guys, some of the things I bought because we were having like guests coming over. And oh, this is the shade that I want. Oh yeah, it's just like my pouch. Okay, yeah, like I said, like I explained on my previous video, that we were having like guests coming over, so we were doing everything under pressure, you guys. So I'm sorry, Neslo and so yeah, guys, I was under pressure, so I was buying izinto ngokukhawuleza. So now that I'm settled, I just want to decorate, or yeah, how I want the house to be, not under pressure, not feeling anything. So yeah, guys, what I'm gonna get, I'm gonna buy a shoe rack. First of all, we do not have a shoe rack, and and it's not looking cute. So I'm gonna get a shoe rack. Another thing that I want to buy is a smaller nyana, guys. It's a good thing that I met someone on Facebook who can like design the ottoman for my, like, according to my liking, so he can like customize it for me. So I'm gonna tell him that I want a smaller nyana ottoman for Apezans Beti. So I'll show you everything. Banza bega pin don. Also, I want to buy new lamps, you guys. I don't like how small my lamps are. Like, they are so tiny. They are tiny. And if I don't have enough money to buy those lamps, I'll just design mine, guys. I'll just DIY mine, and according to my liking. And ngathanda ukuthi zibe ndenyana but zona short. So yeah, that's another thing that I want to change the lamps, get the ottoman, get the shoe rack. I've been waiting for the shoe rack. Not waiting, I haven't finalized my order because I did get someone all, like, guys, I do all my furniture shopping on Facebook Market, guys. Those guys are like people there sell nice things. So yeah, guys, what else, oh, also for this side, let me take the camera, guys, because also I noticed that I'm always wearing white, you guys. Let me show you my outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day, you guys. I know that these shoes don't go very nice with this dress. Okay, this is better. Not really better, but yeah. Now you can see like everything. They don't go so well with these shoes, you guys, but so I am wearing this white dress. This cute white dress. I really love this dress, you guys. I really love it. I thrifted this dress back in 2020. Was it last year? Yeah, I think it was last year. And I love this dress, you guys. It is so cute. It's white in color. And I'm going to do shopping, so I'm filming like this when we'll pack up. So okay, you guys, but okay, let me try. So this is my headboard, guys. Please ignore week don't. So yeah, guys, I want to get the mirrors, the side mirrors over there. And you see, yeah, I want to get the mirrors. I want to change the lamps. Those are so small. I don't like how small they are. Also, too, guys, please don't mind my bed. Yeah, it's one of those days. And also right here, I want to, you see that side of the wall, it is very open and big, and I don't like it. So I want to make I want to design something, man, guys. I want to design something, and I'll take you through the process when I'm designing whatever that I'm going to design. But there's definitely something that's gonna go on there. And this is the space. The space here, guys, is not that big. So the ottoman that I want, mele isuke apha, guys, from this tile, from this line of the tile, izofika apha ebhedini. So yeah, so I want a great ottoman ezawuhambelana nebed yam. And right here I'll put my, guys, akungcolanga betnana yo asana, guys, askis. So over there I'm gonna put that shoe rack that I want to get. And what else am I gonna change? Oh, and my curtain. Look at my curtain, you guys. That's a beautiful curtain, by the way. Very beautiful. I love that curtain. So I want to get a blind, a small blind, just for that window. I feel like it's a lot going on with that curtain. The curtain looks like that because it's big, so it doesn't go all the way to the corner over there because of the pedestal. And also with this mirror that I hate so much. And it was Happy who decided, like, Mama said they are because it says you understand? But I don't like it. Okay, what's going on? I don't like this mirror, by the way, you guys. But this bedroom is very small. It is very small. Yeah, guys, let me go to the mall. I'll show you the paints that I'm gonna get. And if I get the blue one, definitely gonna go for the blue one because that's my first preference. And if I don't get it, I'm gonna go with the green one because I've seen the green shade in many shops. No, not many shops. I saw it in Checkers and what's this other shop? And Builders. So yeah, guys, let's go. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna change the bedding. I do want to change if I get a green paint, I'm definitely gonna buy a white bedding, change this blue completely. And if I get the blue one, I'm gonna add like white accessories for my bed. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you on the other side. I love you. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is day 2 and it's Friday, and I am painting my wall. I got a green paint. Let me check the name of the color. It is Heritage Green. It doesn't really show on the camera this side, but I'll definitely show you tomorrow or when I'm done. I'm just showing you the process. I did very good on the edges, you guys. Like, you cannot see the edges, especially because I don't have the tape, or I don't know the name of the tape, but I misplaced it, so I don't have it. So that is why I am very slow. But yeah, this is the shade of green that I got and I love it. Guys, it is day 3. So today is today is actually Monday, and I know it's late. I know it's late. I know it's late. Yeah, guys, because I'm supposed to upload the video today, but hey, guys, I was busy during on weekend. I was very busy, so as long as squads go izinto, so I couldn't do my DIY, and I just came from the mall. And actually today I went to Sunwood Park. I went to Sunwood Park today, and it's a lot going on. There's a lot going on, you guys, because I want to show you everything that I got at Sunwood Park. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for my DIY. I'm going to use this. They're a bit fat, you guys. They are like fat-ish. I don't know if I made them fat or ganjan, but I expected them to be a bit thinner. But yeah, in the many is good, but it's okay. I think they're gonna do the job. Also, because I want to paste them up, guys. So that is why this is 10. Also, I got 3 at Checkers. They were 3 for 80 rands, but if you buy 1, it's 50 rands. So I saved a lot. I was so happy. I'm gonna stick them on this board. Gonna stick them on this board, and I'm gonna spray paint them with my gold spray. I got this spray at Checkers. Surprisingly, it's so cheap at Checkers, you guys. It is very, very cheap at Checkers, because I think it's 50 rands. Other than other shops, you guys, because I went to PNA. Is it PNA? I think it's PNA. And there it was 100 and something, 120. So I was like, you know what, let me go to Checkers, because I don't know where I got this one. I don't know if are they not the same color, you guys? I don't think they're the same color, but yeah, it's actually also, that is what I got from Checkers. Another thing that I got from Checkers, you guys, are you ready? Are you ready? So guys, let me show you my lamp. Remember I told you I wanted to like change these lamps because they are so tiny, they're so small, and I don't like how small they are. So I decided I want to DIY mine. I haven't DIY'd yet. So what I got was this. I don't know if it's water or milk bottle from Checkers. You see how tall it is, and in a say rubber. Oh, it's actually rubber, which is going to work very well because it's a lamp, you guys. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna transfer everything from that tiny lamp and to this. So guys, this is how my lamp is gonna look, and I'm actually gonna make it nice, you guys. I'm gonna make it nice. But can you see? It's not actually tall. It's actually very, very demure, very mature. And I don't know if it's a funny calendar as of yet, but I also got this from PNA. And libel by the money, guys. I just threw everything away because when fun clean up anything. So what I want to do is I want to paste it right here. And finally paste the upper, guys. Yeah, but guys, if we paste the up, paste the upper nalapezans. But I think this was very cheap. I think it was 11 rands, man. That shop is actually very cheap. But guys, so also it's actually enough for one lamp. So I think 11 pin and weird for that other one. What else? Oh, I also got the glitters. They were 37 rands also at PNA. So guys, you probably see the edges of the paint and of the gold, of the glitters, because I have just finished. So this is how my wall art looks, and also how my lamp looks. So I decided to go with a black shade, and also sprayed it with gold paint at the bottom to make it like ombre-ish. And I did paint that small thingy to, and then wrapped it around the shade of the lamp. And this is how the lamp looks right now, you guys. And I don't want to lie, I'm happy. I'm just not sure about the color right now, but yeah, I'll fix it as the time goes by, because I still have to like do everything else and decorate the room. So for now, I'm okay with the shade. I know it's dark. I know it's dark because of my dark paint, because my paint is dark as well. But yeah, guys, that is um my wall art. It looks better on this angle, you guys, because you can like see um what I was going for. And I am happy. You see those glitters, they gonna go, guys, they gonna go, they definitely gonna go. I don't know when, but I try to wipe them off. But yeah, guys, this is the close-up look of my wall art, and it's a bit big, you guys. It's just that I don't have the right angle to show you. But yeah, I see those edges, those wet edges. Please, this is my zen, guys. But yeah, it looks small when I'm standing like this, but it's actually very, very not very big, but it is like big. But yeah, guys, I'm happy with my DIYs. And yeah, guys, I'm still new, I'm still learning. I hope it's all right. And guys, I hope you can see this in person. In person, it doesn't look as bad as on the camera. I don't know if I'm the one who like